Okay, so this is what's wrong with your experiment. Okay, in the first image that SciManDan shows us, we see North America pretty much in the center of the circle of the globe, and he photographs it from up close. Then he moves farther away and zooms in so that the image is about the same size and still centers it. North America is still just about centered in the globe, and we can see the change in relative proportion. Now, your mistake is that your first experiment, you don't change the distance. And changing the distance is what causes the change in proportions. So all you do is focus on Australia, like so, and then you just zoom in and resize the image. But that doesn't change the proportions at all because you're just zooming in. To change the relative proportions, you have to change the distance between the camera lens and the subject. Like that. Now, your change of angles, where you say that you get the proportions to change by cheating and changing the angles, is done this way. You look at Australia, and then you change the angle of the globe so that Australia isn't centered anymore. It's up off on the edge. And of course, that's going to compress the vertical part of the image. It stays about the same horizontally, but you compress it vertically. It's the same as an image like this, perpendicular to the camera lens, and then you're turning it so that it's no longer perpendicular, it's at an angle. And you're just changing the angle that you're seeing it from. But SciManDan did not do that. In both of his images, the one from close up and the one from far away, where he just zooms in, North America is still in the center of the globe. He's not moving North America off to the edge like this, or this like you did with Australia. If you left Australia centered the way he left North America centered, you would see the exact same results that SciManDan showed.